डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 12 फिजिक्स की यूनिट 7 के वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। राइट द मोमेंटम ऑफ फोटोन ऑफ एनर्जी न्यू। हाउ वी गेट इट? एनर्जी का फार्मूला था E इज इक्वल टू mc स्क्वायर, और एक और एनर्जी का फार्मूला था फोटोन का sc बाय लैम्डा h न्यू। राइट, वी राइट इट h न्यू। दोनों एनर्जीज को बराबर करो, mc स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू h न्यू। इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप में mc इज इक्वल टू h न्यू अपॉन c। दिस इज मोमेंटम, तो p इज इक्वल टू h न्यू बाय c। Second question, what is the rest mass of photon? Rest mass of photon is 0. The wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation is doubled. What will happen to the energy of photon? See it here. E is equal to sc by lambda. This is first equation. Now what you do? Wavelength become doubled. So what is energy? E1 is equal to sc by lambda 1. E1 is equal to sc, what happened, 2 lambda, that is 1 by 2 sc by lambda, that is E by 2. Energy become half. What is stopping potential? Stopping potential is what? The minimum negative potential given to the plate of the photocell at which the photoelectric current stop. देखिए हमारे पास दो प्लेट्स होती हैं, राइट? यहां से लाइट आ रही है, दिस इज, यहाँ पे जब लाइट आ रही है, लाइट फॉल होती है, तो ये प्लेट की ओर फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाते हैं। इस पे द मिनिमम नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल गिवन टू द प्लेट ऑफ द फोटो सेल एट विच द फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट स्टॉप, व्हाट डू कॉल इट? स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल। हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंटेटिंग इट? बाय सिंबल V naught. Next question, if the intensity of the incident radiation on a metal is doubled, what will happen to the kinetic energy of the electron? Sir, kinetic energy, no change. Why no change? Simply remember it. The intensity increase the photoelectric current. That is directly proportional to, photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. But kinetic energy depends on the frequency of the frequency of the incident radiation. Which photon is more energetic, red one or violet one? Right. So this is question solution 6. E is equal to sc by lambda. H and C are constant. Lambda r is greater than lambda v. So EV is greater than ER. Means violet is more energetic than the red one. Is photoelectric emission possible at all frequency? We have formula V is equal to W plus kinetic energy. H nu is equal to H nu naught plus kinetic energy. Remember, if nu is less than nu naught, no photoelectric emission takes place. No photoelectric emission. If nu is greater than nu naught, then photoelectric emission takes place. Otherwise, no. It means not for all frequency. If the frequency of the incident radiation is more than the threshold frequency, then photoelectric emission takes place. If it is less, no photoelectric emission takes place. Solution 8. A proton and electron have got same de Broglie wavelength. Which one has more total energy? De Broglie wavelength formula is H upon √ 2m kinetic energy. We write it. Right. We do the squaring of the lambda square is equal to H square 2m kinetic energy. Next में kinetic energy is equal to H square upon 2m lambda square. Lambda is same. So kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. What happened? The mass of the proton is greater than mass of electron. So kinetic energy of electron and total energy of electron is greater than proton. So electron is more energetic. बच्चों, आज हमने यूनिट 7 के वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश कर लिए। हम बोर्ड की प्रिपरेशन इसी तरह से करते रहेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।